Okay, do you remember that you have learned about intelligent pegging, the inspection tool, in the previous topics? It is used to clean the pipes, and it is also used to do inspection inside the pipe. So now, we're going to go a little bit detail on the kind of data that it can produce. What does it measure? So here on the board is a cross section of a pipeline. So this is like your big diameter. This is some part of the wall thickness, okay? And inside I drew some little corrosions. So once the pig enters the pipe, it will be reading any information. It has a lot of sensors. It's an intelligent pig, a lot of sensors. It will be reading any wall thickness reduction along the pipe. So it starts from one point and it goes through to another until the end. But as it travels, any corrosion defect, it will just capture. So what does it capture? It captures, number one, the dimensions. So the dimension, let's say this is one cross section that I cut, you zoom in. So this is your corrosion. So it will measure the depth, but it will just go to the deepest depth, the D, okay? And it will measure the longitudinal length. So we call it little L. And another shape of the dimension is the width. The width of corrosion, you can't really see it here, but you can see it here. So this is like the width of corrosion, measured from the circumferential width, from the width, okay? So you can look at the notes, it can give you more details on the overview of the shape. So that's one, dimensions of corrosion. And the pig can tell you where it is, whether it's going to be either internal corrosion or external corrosion. And so that is number one. And then it can also tell you where along the pipe is the defect. So number one, it can tell you by o'clock orientation. So let's say this is 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6, 9. So the pig can tell you exactly, okay, the corrosion here is at 12 o'clock. This one is at 9 o'clock. And as smart as it is, it can tell you, okay, this is 7 o'clock. Sometimes even accurate to 7:15, 7:30 and so on and so forth. So that is o'clock orientation. So that is location. Another location is about along the pipeline. Where is it? Where is it? From along the pipeline, what kilometer it is, okay? And also the type of corrosion, whether it's general corrosion, pitting corrosion, and so on and so forth. So these are the first data that it captures. I hope you understand, but read through and see some more images in the notes that you can see a better view of corrosion.